Alright, so we're going to draw a Christmas Grimace. Alright, it's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's going to be very simple, so let's get started. I'm going to go over here now. And the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the Santa hat, right? So zigzag a little here for the kind of texture of that hat. Zigzag over here on the right. And zigzag on the left. And then on the top, essentially a fuzzy square, right? Very simple, very simple to do that. Gonna go over here now. I'm gonna start with the Grimace's head over here. Pull down, right there, along the side. Grimace's body. Gonna go over here. Pull out on the other side of Grimace's body. He's gonna get larger as he goes down. He's gonna get a lot bigger as he goes down. All right. We're going to do a stop here. We're going to pull out for his hand. Go down, out for his hand. Out over here. Out over here. Down. Curve. Over here on one side. And then curve on this side. I'm gonna actually kind of keep it pull this line across over here at the bottom, just to kind of make sure we have that going on. Don't forget to hit the like. It's very important when you hit the like. That means I know what you guys want. You know, if you like it in general, and if I'm gonna do more of it. So definitely hit the like. Gonna go over here now. Curve for his finger. Down. Or you know, line over there. He's gonna have the Grimace Shake in his hand, or Grimace Eggnog, I don't know. Up over here, across. So he's got that cup, right? He's holding that cup. We're gonna have that lid on top, which is just another square. And then we're gonna connect his hand underneath. Curve over here. Curve over here for a finger. Another one, probably about like 3 outside of his opposing thumb right there. And then let's kind of connect the dots here. There we go. Sometimes when you're drawing, you're kind of like connecting the dots in the last minute. Going over here down. His feet are pretty much together. Line down here, line down here. For the outside of his legs. Out over here, curve underneath, up. Out over here, curve underneath, up. Right on. Gonna be at the top, up over here for the hat, down. And finding the little ball at the end of the hat. Right there. Pull line up over here. Line up over there. Curve, curve. Over here on this side. Start with a circle of his eye. Circle of his eye here. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Line across, right? Showing the kind of laziness of it. There's a, you know, they're kind of angled, the lids. Dot over here, dot over here. Filling this in. And filling this in. I had the Grimace eyebrows, right? Which he's known for. I forgot the straw. Line up. Line over there. And then, as far as like the design of the cup goes, you can actually draw like some wiggliness here as well. Ding dong. Alright, sweet. Doing pretty good so far. He's pretty cute. If you do like drawing cute though, you have to pick up the free ebook. The ebook that I have is 20 pages long. It is all about proportion, you know, edges, how to make something cute. So you can take something that you already have and make it adorable. And it all has 90, like basically everything you see that's chibi or cute, 90% of it has the exact same formula. It's ridiculously the same. And I put that all in an ebook. It's 20 pages long. I think there's no reading. There's like one page. It's all charts. So all of it's ready to print. It's all charts as well. Meaning it's sized out. You can just press print and print it if you want it. It's a reference source and it's stuff you're never going to forget. It's so simple in a chart. Go download that right now because it was $30. I made it free right now, but it might not be free in the future, pretty much. I'm thinking about just kind of going back to making it, you know, cost like 40 bucks or something, 30 bucks. But go pick that up in the description if you can find it. That's the only catch. Go check it out because that is something that, you know, I want out there. All right, let's go over here. Curve over here for the top of his lip. And he has a cleft in Grimace's lip right there. Curve, curve, like a U shape. Line over here, line over here. Down, curve underneath, up. Alright. We're going to find his tongue over here. So, boom, boom. And then we're going to fill that in. And fill in the back portion of his mouth. Show that depth. And all right, and we can draw like a line underneath his mouth, like he's opening his mouth there. What I want you to do, so we're pretty much done. What I want you to do is I want you to stay with me and we can do another video together, okay? So stick around, let's do another one. It's gonna make you better. Let's stick around and do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.